In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Jurassic World on Nintendo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. LEGO Jurassic World is available for many different platforms, including of course Nintendo consoles. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase LEGO Jurassic World so that you can play on your Nintendo console. I'm gonna showcase this process through the website, where you can purchase the game for your account, but if you prefer, just follow along by opening the eShop directly on your console. So when you open the eShop or you visit the website, you can look for LEGO Jurassic World, and on the list of results, you will find it here. So off sale, it is going to go for $39.99. You will be able to get a digital copy through the website. There might be physical copies available on different retailers, so if you prefer a physical copy, check to see if the game offers one. But when you purchase through the eShop, it is going to be a direct download option. So you will see all of the tags here. The game supports up to 2 players, and you can do local co-op, where you connect an additional controller and both of you will share the same screen. You will be able to play in TV mode, tabletop mode, and handheld mode. You can read all about the game here, so they will have all of the game features listed. And unlike other versions, it seems like this one doesn't offer the separate add-ons, but still you can play through the entirety of LEGO Jurassic World just like you would on any other console, Xbox, PlayStation, or even mobile. So purchase it through the eShop and you will be able to play. There are other LEGO games available for Nintendo consoles, so if you prefer, you can look for LEGO only, and you will see a huge variety of LEGO games, but LEGO Jurassic World, which is the focus of this video, is also going to be an option. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Jurassic World on Nintendo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.